From this video, I'll be discussing how I programmed the product sorting process here. And as I showed you in the previous video, like if we search for a product and I'll be searching Apple keyword and sort it by the price low to high, we will be getting prices from low to high. See? And same goes with price high to low. Search. See? We will be getting products prices from high to low. And if we check the quantities low to high and search, see 4 items, 5 items, 6 items, 7 and 12. And quantity high to low, let's search 12 items, 7 items, 6 items, see. And let's go to the codings now so I can show you how I did it. This is my sorting part area and I have given values to these options. See, and in the advanced search process.php, I have checked if the sort variables equals to the 0 or sort equals to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Like that I have checked. And if it equals to 0, I have checked if the keyword area is empty here. If it's not empty, I'll be appending the rest of the query to the query we stored in this variable $query. And same goes with the category part. Here, if the category is not equals to 0 and the status is equals to 0, we'll be appending this rest of the query to it, and we will be setting $status equals 1, and we have put else if here if the category is not equal to 0 and the status is also not equal to 0, we will be appending this rest of the query to the $query, and here we will be setting $PID equals 0 here, and we are checking if the brand is not equal to 0 and the model is equals to 0, and we will be getting all the brands from the model has brand table from my database, and we will be looping it. And if the status equals 0, we will be appending this query to our $query, and we will be setting $status equals 1 there. And else if we'll be checking if the status is not equal to 0 now, and we'll append this rest of the query to it. And here we will be checking if the brand is equal to 0 and the model is not equal to 0. Here, if the brand is equal to 0, a user has not given a brand there. And when we see this $model not equal to 0, the user has given a model. So we will be getting all the models from our model has brand table in our database, and we will be looping it, and we will be getting the ID of that model, and we will be storing it in the $PID, and here we will be checking the status again, and we will be appending the rest of the query to this $query as I did earlier. And here I have checked if the brand is not equal to 0, and it will be checked, and here I have checked if the model is not equals to 0, and I have got all the model and the brand data from the database and stored it. So store the ID in the $PID, and I have checked my status as usual and appended the rest of the query. Same goes with the condition and the color and the price ranges. Here, price low to high part, we will be using order by price ascending because we want the price from low to high, and we will be using in the option 2 price high to low, we will be using order by price descending. So we will be getting prices from high to low. Here in the option 3 quantity low to high, we will order by quantity ascending order, and quantity high to low, we will be putting order by quantity descending. Like that, we will be appending this query to all of these ones. The same operation happens in every of these if conditions.